Hi, this is Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have Sammy Bennett here. He is a running back, right? He's played running back for a few years, probably several years at this point. We're looking at middle school, high school, college, several years of positive accolades, all-state player in different levels of football. We have him in today. He has generalized low back pain, tight hamstrings, which is expected. He's training right now for the Combine, which he has tomorrow in Baltimore. And Pro Day will be coming up. He's waiting for the NFL draft, trying to get him to maximal performance. He's training with one of the trainers here at the Gold's Gym facility, where our location is at our chiropractic clinic here in Manassas, Virginia, Raymond, Washington. And so at this point, he's trained for some agility drills. We're just trying to use chiropractic treatment and massage therapy to keep him in line, keep him mobile, keep his nerve communication going to muscular communication to maximize performance. So anything you want to interject here, Sammy, on your career so far?
On my career, I played a little bit of my career at Bluefield College. While I was there, I broke a few records. I hold the record for most touchdowns in a season, which is 10. I hold a record of the longest touchdown from scrimmage, which was 86, and most rushing yards in a game, which is 276. And I've been training with Raymond, Washington for about 10 years now, and I got linked up with Dr. Diaz to help me rehab and stuff like that.
All right, very good. So here we are again, getting him ready for his combine tomorrow. I'm positive that he's going to go out there, blow him out of the water, make a name for himself, and get himself onto a roster. So we're going to start here with some, we've already done some soft tissue work, as you'll see in some of the clips of the video. We've done some active release therapy. We've done some myofascial therapy. We've done a little bit of agility drills with some electronic stimulation, heat, so on and so forth. So we're using a lot of rehabilitative modalities to help with the muscular issues that he's having. Now we're going to address the central nervous system through chiropractic manipulation. So we're going to set up right over here for chiropractic adjustment. Let me have you scoot a tad forward on the chair and then lean your back right here. Bring your shoulders back, your palms face up for me. There you go. You're going to relax right in here for me. So we're going to start right in here with chiropractic adjustment. We're going to just palpate here through the neck. Okay, we have some restriction right in here. Relax for me. Very good stuff. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good stuff right there. Okay. Let me have you lay face down right here on the table for me, Sammy. You okay there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. All right. We are definitely noticing, as we've done earlier, that we have some general low back pain and tenderness, muscle spasm that we're kind of working out from training. So we're getting in here. We're going to try to find levels of restriction and adjust here appropriately. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here. We're going to work into the cervical thoracic transition segment. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Same thing here. Very good stuff. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Just going to kind of get some general movement in here. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let me have you, Sammy, lay on your side facing this way for me. All right. I want your top leg bent and your bottom leg straight. Relax your pelvis right here for me. Bring this arm right over here. Right there. Nice bear hug right here. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay on your side facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Relax right here. Bring this pelvis a tad forward here. Bring your arm right over here. Switch arms here. Relax here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Excellent. We'll finish with that for today. Thank you very much.